Hello children, welcome you all to the English online class. I am your English teacher Sindhu David, and today we will be learning from English grammar book lesson 6 determiners. So let's get started. Children, determiner is a word that helps us to identify or specify a noun. It always comes before the noun. Let us see kinds of determiners: articles, demonstratives, possessives, distributive, quantifiers, interrogative, and numeral. These are the kinds of determiners. Articles. There are only 3 examples of articles, and these are a, an, and the. The article the is considered as a definite article because it refers to a particular noun that is mentioned in the text, while the articles a and an are called indefinite articles because they point out to a class of noun mentioned in the sentences. Article a is used if it precedes a noun that starts with a consonant, like a bike, a television, while article an is used if the noun after it starts with a vowel. Example: an eggplant, an architect. Now let's see some of the samples. Second is demonstrative determiners. This kind of determiners demonstrates and functions as pointers of a particular noun. Basically, demonstrative indicates the position or location of a noun from the point of view of the speaker. Some examples of demonstratives include these, that, and those. The demonstrative this is used for singular nouns that are near the speaker, while these is for plural nouns that are also close by. On the other hand, the demonstrative that is for singular noun that is further away, and those for plural nouns that are also far from the speaker. Let's see some of the sample sentences. Now next is possessives. This type of determiner is used to express possession or ownership of a noun. Possessive determiners are different from possessive pronouns because possessive pronouns can be independent or can stand alone. Some examples of possessive determiners are my, his, mine, our, their, and her. Now let's see some of the sample sentences. Fourth is distributive. Distributive determiners may refer to a group or every individual in the group. Examples are each, every, all, half, either, and neither. Let's see some of the sentences. Next determiner is quantifiers. As the name suggests, quantifiers are used to express the quantity. It can answer the questions like how much or how many. Some examples of quantifiers include a few, enough, many, a little, most, some, any, and much. Now see some of the sample sentences. Next kind of determiner is interrogative. As the term implies, The interrogative determiners are used for asking questions. The three examples of interrogatives are what, whose, and which. Now see some of the sample sentences. Last is numeral. Cardinals such as 1, 2, 3 and ordinals such as first, second, third as well as next and last function as numeral determiners. We use cardinal numbers for the quantity of something, like I have $1. She has 3 brothers. We use ordinal numbers to talk about order or position of something, like you will go second. This is the boy's 7th birthday. This is the 3rd time that she has called today.